if you are able to early on effectively clean up the way that data is communicated throughout the platform, you're 10 steps ahead of so many other organizations.
Yes.
Do you have any guiding principles that you could share for how people should think about prioritizing information architecture?
There's some workshops you can do or processes that are in UX, like, affinity diagramming and card sorting of the info that you have in. But for me, it's always looking at what you have right now, laying it all out, and then literally just starting to, it's literally like a puzzle, take apart the puzzle and now put a new puzzle together. And what I see in websites that are just like having information added on, or even in data, things are being added on, is that you forget what the initial strategy for organizing was it, and it starts developing into this new thing that at the end stops making sense, and at some point everything just becomes a mess. So it's, I think, reassessing the strategy and literally just pulling things apart and putting it back together again. Maybe it's, the buckets of information are now named differently just because there's been new offerings or new type of data is being gathered in a database. Maybe initially it was just, you're gathering data about flowers and trees, and now all of a sudden there's cheese and meat, and you don't organize the two the same way. So now you have to find new ways to organize all of that, right?